Are you getting this problem? Now, there's a couple of reasons that we might get this error. Normally we need to make sure that the front of the caravan is lower at the front than at the back, so that the caravan can level. But sometimes, if we're in the correct position with the front of the caravan, it might just be that we've got to reset the level of the E&P system. So in this video we're going to show you how to do that. So we're going to now turn the system on, and we're going to manually set the caravan to the level position that we want using our spirit level. Now, the best way to actually level it is probably on the actual floor. So what I'm going to do today is put the spirit level widthways across the caravan, and then obviously front to back, because we want to get the caravan as level as we possibly can, and into the preferred position that we want it. So we're going to turn the system into the on position. We're then going to press our manual button, which is our little hand signal here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our legs down at the front and at the back. Now it's saying that we need, at the moment with our spirit level, that we need to bring the right hand side of the caravan up. So we're going to put the right hand legs. Again, while we're doing this, we've made sure that the caravan is secure. We've got the handbrake on, and that we're not going to be running down a slope or anything like that, so we're just in a safe position to be able to put the legs down. So we've put our one side down, and as you'll see now on the spirit level, we've got that level from side to side. Now I'm just going to put the other leg down to a position where it's just literally touching the floor. So as soon as this leg then touches down and we make contact with the ground, then obviously that will stop. So as soon as we feel that that has touched the ground and we've made contact, I've just let that one go and stopped. I'm now going to turn the spirit level around, so we're going to make sure that we're now actually level from front to back, and as you'll see, our front is actually just slightly low. So I'm going to bring now the front. Actually, we'll put the back down first, and not quite touch, and now I'm going to bring the front down. And what I'm going to do, I'll show you on the spirit level. So we're going to bring just with little increments until we get the caravan absolutely dead level. I'll now just put the rear legs back down, so that they make contact. And again, as soon as we start to hit the ground, then we know that that's made contact. So all 4 points now are correct, and that on our spirit level we're level from the front to the back, and also from side to side. And again, we're slightly, we've obviously, as we've done our legs, we're just slightly out. So what I'm going to do is just re-trim that up so that we're absolutely perfect. Now what we have to do, oops, anyway, now what we do is switch off the control panel, because we've got the caravan level, and what we're going to now start is the recalibration procedure. So in our manual, it's basically saying that now that the caravan is horizontal and standing correct as we should be. So this is our 0 point. We're going to switch the control panel on. We're going to press our front button 5 times. We're going to press our rear button 5 times. Now all LEDs should be lit and we're in the calibration mode. We're then going to press the button withdraw 3 times, so that's our legs up, so we're going to press that one 3 times, and then we're going to switch the control unit off, and that should be the system calibrated, hopefully. So let's give it a go. So we're going to switch the system on. We're going to press our front button 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to press our rear button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we should get all LEDs lit up as we are now. So now we're going to hit our withdraw button, so our legs up 3 times. We should then be reset. We can then turn the system back off again. We're now saying, when we turn the system on, that we're in the level position, so all of our lights are distinguished and we've just got a green in the middle that's telling us that the caravan is level. We can then take the legs back up again and we'll retest it by putting them down automatically. So we're now going to test it. We're going to turn it back off, back on. Now as long as the front of the caravan is low enough, when we press our auto button, so what it's telling us that we just need to wind the caravan down on the jockey wheel. So we're going to lower the front of the caravan down. So now that we've lowered the front of the caravan down and we've got our little arrow lit up at the front to say that that's too low, we can now press our auto button and the caravan will now level itself up. So the key is just making sure that the little arrow at the front is illuminated to let the system know that it can put the legs down. This will go through the system and we'll double check with spirit level again that we've got the caravan in the right position. And then what we should get is, as the caravan levels itself up now, we should get our little green button come up in the middle and illuminate it to say that the caravan is correct. There we go. So in theory the caravan should now be level. Just wait for the system to finish off doing what it's doing. And we'll now just double check with the spirit level. So our bubble is spot on, side to side, and then front to back again, perfect. So if you've needed to reset your EMP levelling system and you've got the system the same as this one, hopefully this video has been of help and shown you how to do that. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark at the Caravan Place.